let's check out the Titanium Apple Watch Edition Series 5. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and this is our Apple Watch Series 5 Titanium. Now, this is the new Apple Watch Edition, which comes in both titanium and ceramic. Ceramic is a reissue of a previous Apple Watch case material, but titanium is all new. It comes in both silver and this space black model. We've had a lot of questions asking about the titanium Apple Watch and how it fits in the lineup and how it compares to both the aluminum and the stainless steel. Well, not to give away the whole video, but this may be the perfect Apple Watch case material. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at how Apple achieved this new finish and new case design and how it stacks up against the other options in the Apple Watch Series 5 lineup. For this video, I brought together my Apple Watch Titanium, my aluminum, and my stainless steel. The titanium watch has a natural finish that Apple said they invented to prevent yellowing and prevent staining, both of which can be issues with a semi-porous titanium. The black model also has the same DLC coating that's used on the stainless steel. What we really like about the titanium is it fits just in the middle between the stainless steel and the aluminum. The aluminum is very lightweight and has that matte finish, but it's pretty susceptible to scratches. The stainless steel looks really nice and glossy, but it takes fingerprints very easily and can look messy, and the silver version especially is extremely prone to micro abrasions and it just really looks scuffed up after even a short amount of time. For weight, the titanium is lighter than the stainless steel, many of which who said was a little too heavy, but it's heavier than the aluminum, which I find too light. Overall, we are in love with the new titanium case design. Has that nice brushed finish, has the perfect weight, and it prevents scratches, fingerprints, and everything else that are kind of prone with the other models of Apple Watch. It fits perfectly there in the middle, it looks great, it's unique, and it's something new to the Apple Watch line. We really love pretty much everything about it. It does cost a little bit more, but if you were looking at the stainless steel Apple Watch, which I've been using the stainless steel Apple Watch since they came out, this is a better option than that, but it is slightly more expensive. I ditched the silver stainless steel Apple Watch because those scratches, there was just too many and it was harder to sell the watch after a couple years because of how many scratches are on the side. I went to the space black Apple Watch, which looks great, but you can see even in this shot here how many fingerprints just kind of ruin and mar that glossy exterior. The titanium is just, it looks really nice. It's still semi-glossy, not as matte as the aluminum is. It's got a brush finish that looks really nice that you usually only see with more higher end watches. So we're really excited that this is finally coming to the Apple Watch. The Titanium Apple Watch Edition Series 5 only comes with a cellular option. There's no Wi-Fi, only plus GPS, so you're going to have to get stuck with cellular and the red ring around the dial. You also get the stainless steel charging puck with it in the box. You don't have to use the plastic one. You do get upgraded to the slightly nicer version. If you want to pick one of these up, you can find the link down below in the description, and I'd love to hear what you think on Twitter at Andrew_OSU.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.